Hey guys, Dink here. I'm really sorry I haven't uploaded to you in a while, but today we're playing something else. Well, obviously it's Roblox, but playing a Roblox game that I've been attached to for a really long time. And you might have heard of it. It's Undertale 3D Boss Battles. Here is Betty Kawa, and I'm normal Kawa. Kawa. And we're gonna fight Sans. Let's go fight Sans, or we will lose. Okay, so I told him let's go fight Sans, and wait, get your snakes. Okay, we need to get steaks, obviously. Like, without steaks, you can't beat Sans. And we might have an attempt at Kawa too. And the thing about it, you have to wait until your bar is all the way at 7, and then you can't get any more steaks. And let's go. Come on. Okay, I'll tell you when I'm there. Okay, and I'll be back when. I'm making a video, and yeah, so we just found shop, and I don't know what it is. What was this place? Okay, we'll be back in a second. Technical difficulties. If you hear anything in the background, I'm sorry. I might be even more sorry than Baby Jesus when he died, but yeah, I'm really sorry if you can hear anything in the background. So just move on to Sans, and I'll tell you when. To Judgment Hall, Sans Asgore. That's where I should. Here he is, Sans. Ha! Let's kill him. Phew. It's just us. Let's go! Okay, the first attack is always the worst. Well, not always the worst, it's just the main attack because he shoots tons of stuff to you. You have to survive 20 minutes to win. So, anyway, it's probably going to be a little baby in the background. And, so the first attack's always the worst, but it's out of the way and we can just relax. Now, you see he hasn't got his glowing eye yet. You just need to wait until his glowing eye gets bigger and bigger. Bigger the glowing eye is, well, the more attacks he does. Well, the harder it is, basically. Abuse, what do you mean? Hey, you little shit. You almost killed me. What's Q-mute? Oh! Oh, this is gonna take a while. Sis is being a dick in the background.
We're gonna get a photo, please.
I'm kind of making a YouTube video. Shut your gob.
Just do a normal face.
Fuck off. Okay, sorry for that swearing. I'll add a warning in. Or probably cut it out. Just playing around with Sans, jumping on his head. He can dodge our attacks! He can dodge our attacks! Come on, Betty. Oh my god, her knife. Die, die. Quality entertainment as P. I bet you £50 no one's going to subscribe to this video. No, I don't think anyone's going to subscribe. Oh, I'm going to speed up the process a bit. Oh, that almost hit me. And almost hit me again, and again, and again. Each. Ow. Actually, yeah. He died! No! How am I gonna live? Fine, I'll beat him by myself then! Okay. doesn't take much. Well, it takes pretty much every single sweat on your body you've got. Unless you're pro, really. Oh, that is too many. Yes, second stage. Oh, and I'm gonna die. I need to eat. Come on, come on. Okay. I know I'm not gonna win. I still got like 50 minutes until like it ends. Float. Float, float my boat. Whoa! Oh! Hey! Stop using that attack! It's overweighted bow! Oh my god, I need a heal. Aye! I got hit by the block. That's what happens when you try and beat Sans. Like, last time we beat him, but... Anyway, see you later. I'm just gonna type bye guys so he knows. He lost though. Sadly. Very sad. Look at it, dude. What is that? What is that? It's a leprechaun! Oh, it's dropping money. Oh, it's giving me money. Kill it. Kill it. Kill it. How's it so fast? So fast. Yeah, seriously, where is it? Kill it. It's actually starting to get hit. Anyway, see you later. Remember to subscribe. If you don't subscribe, I'll shank your nan. Anyway, I'm gonna try and climb this tree. And I'll see you in the next video, I guess. Like the video if you liked it, remember.